Hindi tulad sa Pilipinas, issue at hindi personalidad ang sentro ng halalan sa UK. Eleksyon na kasi doon sa Huwebes, Mayo 6. May report si Patrick Ropeta.
Nagtipon ng iba't ibang lahi mula sa diaspora community sa London para dumalo sa debate ukol sa halalan sa UK. Nalalawkan ang mga pinakamalaking partido dito sa bansa. Kabilang sa mga dumalo ang mga next generation British Filipino na gustong makilahok sa proseso ng politika sa pangunguna ng Philippine Generations.
We've been speaking with a lot of people within our community, in our group. We find that a lot of people are quite disengaged or maybe disinterested with politics, especially the UK politics. And we find that perhaps this is a way to actually engage those people into politics. And it's kind of like bringing the debate into the community so that they have a chance to ask questions that really, really matter to them.
Napag-usapan sa debate ang mga pinaka-importanteng issue para sa mga migrante at kanilang pamilya, katulad ng foreign aid, poverty, international development, immigration at social integration. Malaking bagay din ang politika sa UK para sa mga next generation British Filipinos dito sa London.
To affect me directly as a person, as a citizen in Britain, in London, is something which is very important to me. So the decisions that are made in Westminster and in Parliament affect not only myself but members of the diaspora community, migrants, and also others who are not migrants too. So it's crucial that we are involved in politics.
Ang halalan sa UK ay gaganapin sa Huwebes, ika-6 ng Mayo. Para sa Balitang Europe, Patrick Camara Ropeta, London.